How can one ancestor give rise to animals this different? Why did the dinosaurs vanish while you're here, scrolling YouTube? In the next few minutes, we'll unpack the simple but relentless engine that has shaped every living thing on Earth, evolution. By the end, you'll never look at life the same way again. Life isn't just yours, it's everywhere, it's everything, and we're here to explore it all. Be curious and stay curious. Evolution is the long-term change in a population's DNA. It's the gradual change in the heritable traits of biological populations over generations. A process that began billions of years ago and is still running now. It's the process that explains how primitive, single-celled life forms became the mind-boggling variety of species we have today. A species is just a community whose members can mate and produce fertile offspring. The four evolutionary ingredients are: ingredient number 1, uniqueness. Every creature's DNA is unique. That slight genetic wobble makes each individual a bit bigger, smaller, bolder, or lazier than its neighbors. Ingredient number 2, overproduction of offspring. In nature, parents churn out far more babies than the environment can feed. High infant mortality piles up variation that's nature's poker deck. Ingredient number 3, heredity. Section A, recombination. When do creatures fall in love? They reshuffle their genes twice. First while making sperm and eggs. Then again at fertilization, producing offspring with a fresh, random mix of their traits. Section B, mutation. Copying errors, radiation, or chemicals can change the code outright. Most mutations hurt or do nothing, but an occasional typo like blue eye sticks around. Only mutations in gametes matter to evolution, which is why we shield our groins during X-rays. The key word is random. Variation is pure chance. Ingredient number 4, natural selection. Predators, parasites, rivals, toxins, climate. Everyday life is a gauntlet. Individuals with lucky trait mixes survive longer and leave more kids. The rest disappear from the gene pool. Diversity matters because parents roll evolutionary dice. The more varied the brood, the better the odds at least one baby fits whatever tomorrow throws at them. A storm marooned a handful of finches on the Galapagos. With food abundant and predators absent, they reproduced explosively until famine loomed. Small beak differences let some birds dig worms while others cracked seeds, reducing competition. Over generations, they mated within their niches, beaks diverged, and eventually they couldn't crossbreed. One species became 14. Speciation is just those for ingredients plus time. Random DNA changes sifted by real-world pressures eventually build barriers that turn variety into entirely new branches on life's tree. Think evolution's over. Think again. Bacteria evolve resistance to antibiotics. Insects develop pesticide immunity. Viruses mutate to evade immune responses. Evolution doesn't create perfection. It only works with what already exists. It can't plan ahead. It just tinkers with available traits. If the environment changes faster than a species can adapt, extinction is the result. Organisms can't will themselves to evolve. Evolution has no goals, only outcomes. Over 99% of all species that ever lived are now extinct. Volcanoes, ice ages, asteroids, even natural selection itself have wiped out entire lineages. Extinction isn't a failure. It's part of evolution. New species fill the niches the old ones left behind. You are here because an unbroken chain of ancestors survived, every single one of them, through 3.5 billion years of change. Life didn't plan you, but it shaped you, and every creature alive today is a tiny miracle of survival. Understanding evolution helps us fight disease, protect biodiversity, and find our place in the story of life. This isn't just science, it's your origin story. If this changed how you see life, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone curious. And drop a comment. What's your favorite example of evolution in action? Thanks for watching and stay curious.